Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about exponential rule. So in this one, we have y equals to 8 to the power of 8s. So if I do first the derivative of this one, we need to keep the same a to the power of capital AS. Later that, we need to put about f and small 8. And then we can do about first the derivative of AS. So we can apply the formula in here. And that should be like this. So first the derivative of 10, that is about secant of 3s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of 3s, and this one you got about number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.